It's time to make 1099s the easiest part of your tax season. We're excited to announce Bill's new product, 1099 filing. Collect W-9s, mark vendors as 1099 eligible, categorize 1099 payments in bulk, create 1099s, file with the IRS, and deliver 1099s to your vendors, all from Bill Accounts Payable. To get started, log in and select the Tax Management tab. Under Tax Management, you'll see several options: File 1099, Share W-9s, and Received 1099s. Once you have received W-9s from vendors, you can proceed with File 1099. All vendors selected as 1099 eligible will appear here. Select the appropriate 1099 box number for each vendor. Then you can review and categorize all vendor payments from that tax year. Hover over the I to learn more about specific vendor payments to better help you categorize each transaction. If your company has any 1099 categorization rules or policies already within Bill, these will appear as a blue ribbon at the top of your screen. Once you select Save and Next, you will see the amount to be reported as 1099 eligible has been successfully updated. Select each vendor from this 1099 filing hub to ensure that each of your vendors' payments have been reviewed and the reportable amounts are accurate before selecting Deliver and E-File. Once you have double-checked your vendors and payment details, select all the vendors you'd like to create and file a 1099 for. Then select Deliver and E-File 1099. Next, you'll review your company information to make sure it's accurate. Any adjustments here will be reflected on your vendors' 1099s. Then you'll be able to review the 1099 details for all of your eligible vendors. Before you complete this step, be sure to confirm you have a W-9 from all vendors. If the W-9s are not in Bill or the Tax Info tab in Bill, be sure to check the box confirming you have these W-9s outside of Bill. Because you're able to categorize 1099 payments throughout the course of the tax year, this is the perfect time to review 1099 details here as well. Double-check that it's all accurate before filing with the IRS. When you've finished reviewing vendor details, continue to select Next Vendor until you've reviewed each vendor's information. After reviewing all of your vendor details, you can select how you would like to deliver these 1099s to your vendors. Bill offers email and mail delivery. 1099s sent by mail will be an additional $1.99 per 1099 and mailed via USPS. Bill offers you the opportunity to e-file the same day you submit your details, or wait until the IRS deadline. Select the option that works for you, then select Continue. With your 1099s now reviewed, filed, and ready to be distributed, all that's left is to pay for those 1099s. Check out our pricing page for more details on 1099 pricing. You'll find it at bill.com/product/pricing. The delivery, e-file, and vendor details are all listed here so you can review one more time before finalizing your purchase. The total due for 1099s filed will be included in your next subscription cycle. Nicely done. You've successfully created, filed, and distributed your vendors' 1099s all within Bill. You'll see a blue banner at the top of your screen indicating that Bill is currently working on creating those 1099s. Once we've filed those 1099s, you'll see a green banner across the top of your 1099 filing page confirming they were filed. You can also check the status of individual vendors' 1099s on this page under the section 1099 Delivery Status. Bill will update you on whether or not those 1099s were accepted or rejected on the Miscellaneous and NEC Status dashboard. So check back at any time to see when your 1099s are accepted. You can learn more about 1099 filing at bill.com/product/1099-filing. Ready to put those 1099s on easy mode? Choose Easy AP from bill pay to tax day with Bill. Price may be subject to change. IRS filing for 1099s is powered by Tax 1099.